Hey everyone, just want to show off my new digital kit, a new journal kit. It's some more of the script. This is more, it's same sort of era, so around sort of late 15th, early 16th century. It's more of a practice. You can see where they're doing the circles and doing the different shapes so that to enable you to do your own script. Cursive script, is it called? Not sure. Just love the pictures, the colours, it all sort of works. I have used these before, just never sort of got it all together as a kit. So there are 18 pages in total, all designed to sort of print out on 11 by 8. So if I run through, if I just zoom in a touch, bear with me. Sorry, there we go. So there are 7 of full-size pages, so obviously fold them in half. So that's number 1. I have just taken random letters, or the ones that I really like the colours of. That's what these ones are. That's number 3. I just love the colours. They all seem to sort of work, and I know from experience they actually work with most coloured journals. That's number 4. Very much like the Scribe and Painter kit, but more workbook style, I suppose. That's what this would have been called. And number 6. And number 7, the last one. And then we have, got these out of order. Right, I've done 3 watermark pages. So in case there's any confusion, these are designed to be straight down the middle. So whether you use them as the centre of a signature, or I suppose you could go that way with them. So that's the first one. And then that's the second one. And the third one. There are 2 backing sheets. The same, except one's lined and one isn't. So that's the plain one, and that's the one with lines on. Oh, have I got those up the wrong way? Yeah, I've got those up the wrong way. So plain and lined. And then for ephemera, so I've got a page of ATC size. They are 2.5 by, I think, 3.6 inches, so just over ATC size. Excuse me. I did actually try to get some sort of order in this. So A, B, C, D, E, F, I think. Yeah, that's that one. There are 3 large tags. I love the dog in the middle of that one. He looks so fed up. And then 2 lots of envelopes. So I've got that one. Sorry, I keep going out of. There we go. That's a bit better for the big sheets. So that one, and that one is as large envelopes. But I've also taken the same 2, shrunk them down, and they print off on 1 sheet. And then there are that way 4 note cards. So these can either be used, they will fit inside the large envelopes, or they can be folded in half and put on the edge of a page, however you want to do it. Very flexible. So that's it. Please note, whilst I will be listing them on Etsy, I've got my own website up and running, and they are cheaper on my website. Exactly the same as Etsy, instant download. Instant download, except payment is by PayPal only. Now you can use PayPal as a guest, you don't need to have a PayPal account, but Etsy charges are I don't charge much anyway, but the little bit I make, Etsy and I decided to take it off me. So like I say, I will put them on Etsy, but they will be cheaper. I think they work out to be about 30 or 40p cheaper on the website, because Etsy I don't have to add on Etsy's bits and pieces that they seem to want. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed it. I will, like I say, I have used this kit before, or these pages before. I've just never got my act together to actually come up with all the bits that people like to go with the kit. So I will put the listings below, and I will speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye.